Hello, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, today in this video we will see how to use correlative conjunction neither or not. So let's proceed. But before we move on, please subscribe my channel so you could receive weekly updates about my channel. So let's start. We use, let me pull out my pointer here, highlighter. We use neither or not to negate two options. Negate means negative. For example, let's see some examples. So this means we use them to negate two options. Negate means negative. I have neither the time nor the patience for political talk show. This means that I do not like them both. That's what it means. Let's take another example. Neither James nor Mike enjoys playing basketball. This means James and Mike both do not like basketball. Let's take another example. Neither does he understand nor does he care. So this means he does not both care and understand. Let me explain you one more thing here. Yes, no, sorry. Every time this is a clause. This is a clause. This is a clause too. So when neither or nor begins with two independent clauses, we use negative inversion here. Like nor. Nor does mean what? Is interrogative, is a negative inversion. So that's what you need to understand in case of neither and not, that when neither or nor begins with two independent clauses, we use negative inversion here. So let's take some other examples. Neither the movie nor the book was interesting to me. So that means both were not interesting to me. So it's negating the both options here. Neither the student nor the teacher is happy with the presentation. This means both are not happy with the presentation, negating the both options here. Neither he wants to continue study nor does he want to look for a job. So this means he does not want to do both. So again here, neither he wants it is independent clause here. Let me pull out my pen. So again here is an independent clause here. Here is an independent clause here. So in this case, we will use negative inversion here. So that's what you need to remember it. So let me pull out my laser pointer again. Let's take some other example. Neither Jessica nor her friends make it to the event. So this means both did not attend the event, negating the both options. John neither knows how to drive a car, nor does he want to learn it. This means he does not want to do both, negating the both options. So let's see what is note here. Yeah, that's I explained to you. When neither and nor became two independent clauses, we must use the negative inversion in the second clause. That's we study in the last page. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video. Thank you.